Hello guys, welcome back to Unicorn Talk. So today I'm going to be showing you all of my birds. No more animal, not all my animals, just my birds. Not my duck and chicken and my fish, not them, just my birds. So first I start with the smallest bird and go to the biggest bird. So the smallest bird is Rainbow, the canary. And it's very rainbow, and the name is Rainbow. It's a girl. And here is Nut, the budgie, the green one. See if I can get a good shot of Nut. There's Nut, the stripy green one. And Snow White, the girl. Nut is a boy. And Budgie, the blue budgie, his boy. Sweetbird, the yellow budgie, is a girl. And Cookie, the cockatiel, but his real name is Cookie Tail. And Sprinkle, the top nut, he has a broken leg, of course. And the biggest bird in the house is Philomena, the pigeon. Very good, and she's a full-grown pigeon. She's still 0 years old. She's a very pretty pigeon. You are very pretty.